You've tried, you've failed, you are tired. Here's what to do next. Pause, but don't quit. It's okay to get tired. It's okay to get discouraged. But what is not okay is for you to give up and throw in the towel. Quitting ensures failure. Rest doesn't. If you're tired, if you're discouraged, pause. Take a break. Rest. Can you do that? Fine. Then I will show you the next thing to do. After you've rested, the next thing you have to do is audit your strategy. Is it tactical noise or part of a clear system? This question is a diagnostic question that helps you separate random activity from strategic execution. When we say tactical noise, we mean actions and activity that might make you feel productive, but are not part of a bigger plan or strategy. They really don't fit in anywhere. Let me give you some examples. Implementing random tutorials and hacks without any long-term direction. Trying multiple tools or platforms with no clear income goal or strategy. Posting random content with no defined audience or offer. Chasing shiny new objects. For example, this new AI tool will make you rich. If you get involved in things like this, you will work hours and hours per day. And it will just be like somebody who is running in circles. You will be having a lot of movement, a lot of motion, but no real progress. So every activity you get involved with online, if you want to make good money from it, must be part of a system that it fits in perfectly. This is supposed to help me achieve that. For example, now this video that you're watching is supposed to help me attract people who will end up signing up for my email newsletter. And from there, some of them will join my mentorship program. I'm not beating around the bush about that. Because of that, I have a clear target. I am not targeting everybody. If you look at the title, you see I'm targeting Nigerians in diaspora who are fed up, who are trying to give up. Some Nigerians who have made good money and have tried to augment their income online but are not getting results. I have clarity about who I am trying to reach. So every action like this video I'm making has a clear place in the entire system. But if you are jumping from niche to niche, from tactic to tactic, based on hype, based on the latest flavor, how does it fit into a system? What system does it fit into? That activity you are involved in, how interpret it in light of the entire system or strategy. After this, what next? The next thing, what does it do to the overall vision or the overall aim you have? So if any activity you are doing does not have a clear place in the value it creates for an entire system to help you towards your ultimate goal, it is referred to as tactical noise. And you want to avoid them. You can be doing what people call busy work. That's tactical noise. It doesn't really add to you achieving your end goal. If it doesn't help you build something predictable, something measurable, something scalable, that is tactical noise. Whatever activity it is that is you cannot measure, you cannot give you predictable results, you cannot scale, avoid it. It's tactical noise. The second part is what we said. Is it tactical noise or part of a clear system? Now we talk about what is a clear system. For an activity to be part of a clear system, it needs to have the following characteristics. It must fit into a predefined plan or roadmap. Number two, it must serve a specific function. For example, if you are creating content, that content must serve a specific function. Let me give you an example. I'm creating content to get me traffic, targeted traffic, so that they will see my offer and translate to sales. So that content has a clearly defined what? Role, what I wanted to achieve. This activity must be repeatable and something you can optimize over time. If you can't repeat it, and if it cannot be optimized, it is not part of a clear system. This activity must be built around a clear platform, a clear audience, and a clear offer. There can't be any ambiguity. If, for example, I'm promoting this stuff, this piece of content is on YouTube, the platform is clear. I'm creating this video for YouTube. The audience I'm targeting is also clear. I'm targeting people who earn some money but want to scale to $10,000 per month and beyond. They can be high earners in Nigeria or Nigerians in diaspora. And the offer must be clear. I want to teach them how to make $10,000 per month or more within 24 months. That's simple, clear. That action or activity, for it to be part of a clear system, has to deliver a measurable result or has to play its part in helping you deliver a measurable result. For example, this video is playing its part to help me deliver a measurable result, getting me clients who want to make $10,000 per month. I have my financial target, which this video is helping me achieve by helping me serve clients who want to make $10,000 per month. So it is not random work. And because of that, I cannot just make any video on YouTube. My videos, check the channel and begin to go through. You see that the videos are focused to the needs or to the pain points or challenges of people who have made some money online or who have some disposable income offline but want to scale. They want to get to $10,000 per month. That's why you will not, on this channel, you will not find how to make quick 10,000 naira in 24 hours. You will not find it. You will not see 7 apps that show you how to, 7 apps that make you $10 per day. You won't see it on this channel. Why? Every activity on this channel is supposed to help me achieve a specific goal. A clear system that will help you achieve your income goals online, like making $10,000 per month, is designed like an engine. It's built like an engine. So you can look at it as a business engine. Every part has a reason for existing. No part just is there for nothing. If you open your engine, every bolt, every nut has a specific role. That's the same way for the activities you must be involved in if you want to get the kind of results that we talk about online. Let me give you an example. 2 people are uploading 3 faceless YouTube videos per week. I am also uploading 3 faceless YouTube videos each week. But all my videos are targeted at a particular audience. Let me use people who want to make $10,000 per month. And therefore, I have picked topics accordingly to target such people who want to make $10,000 per month. And they are going to pay me to join my mentorship program. So all the videos are geared towards attracting those people and nobody else. There is clarity. What role is that video playing, or these videos? What roles are they playing? They're playing the roles of what? Helping me show my expertise, helping me show my experience. They're helping me show that I understand this niche, I am an authority in this niche, and they help me build trust. And more importantly, they help me draw in traffic. People who will eventually sign up and eventually pay for my courses or pay for my mentorship program. The path is clear. But now, look at another person who also uploads 3 faceless YouTube videos every week. But he just does random topics. Say, this other person, his video went viral. What topic did he did? He did what Tinubu did in Benue. He comes to his own channel and also does a YouTube video and talks about what Tinubu did in Zaria. And then he has Donald Trump did that in this thing with Iran. He also does a video. Even if they are not as extreme as this, there's no clarity. This person is doing videos hoping that one will go viral. I am making my videos. I am not even hoping for virality. I'm not even praying for it because I understand what each of the videos is supposed to do. I know that if I get 100 real unique viewers to watch the video to the end, I can actually make 10 million naira from just 10 people who, after watching my video, decide to take action. So there's no hope. Kind of. I'm not doing hope marketing. I have clarity. So you come to my channel and somebody wonder, you're not even getting plenty views. I'm not bothered because I know the results I'm getting for what I'm doing. There's clarity. So I'm not moved by somebody else's virality. But this other person is moved because he doesn't have what? Clarity. The videos don't fit into a predetermined plan, a clear roadmap. So if you cannot clearly answer what step in your system a particular activity you are engaged in is supporting, then it is tactical noise. But if you can clearly define what an activity is supporting in the system, then what you are doing is what? Job, work that is part of a clear system. And that way you make progress. Now, don't forget how we got into this talk about tactical noise or being part of a clear system. Is that we said after you have taken your rest, instead of giving up, take a rest. After taking your rest, the next step is to what? Audit your strategy. What I just explained to you is a way to find out and audit your strategy. If what you have been doing has been more of tactical noise, that will explain why you might have been failing largely. You need a clear system that every action you will now be engaged in will be part of a system. Now, the third step I will encourage you to take is to what? Find a winning framework, a proven system, and stick to it. You don't need more motivation. You just need an already proven system that works. So you just plug yourself in and follow the steps. If you find a proven system that is designed to take you to the kind of income you seek online, and you follow that proven system, it is just a matter of time before you hit the promised amount. It's simple. If you want to travel from Lagos to Ibadan and you have a map and you know the road from Lagos to Ibadan and you have a good car to take you to Ibadan, it's just a matter of time for you to go from Lagos to Ibadan. Treat your online business quest like that. Find the map or find somebody who knows the road to take you from the destination where you are to where you want to get to. And that's why I recommend for you to join a good mentorship program. And since I have an awesome mentorship program, I will encourage you to join my mentorship program, where it will be like you having a guide who has gone to that destination and can take you from where you are to that point. Now, we will not do the work for you. We will show you the work you need to do at every point in time. You will have clarity. So you will not be doing busy work. You'll be doing work that fits into a particular part of a system. And by the time you are following all the systems, it will be clear to you. Our students, our mentees, from when they start, they see clearly. By the time they have gone through 2-3 sessions, it gets clear to them. Some of them even see why they have been failing before they have even stayed for 1 month. Because they see that, I didn't do all these ones. So these ones were important. Yes, we help them, show them the foundation and what they need to do to start with a solid foundation and go to the next step. It is like building a house. You will see the shape forming by yourself, and that will motivate you to do a great job. And when you are motivated to do a great job, it's just a matter of time before you hit your target. In our mentorship program, we promise that we'll take you from where you are to $10,000 per month in 24 months. If you think it's too long, sorry, I can only teach what I know and what I have proven. You can look for people who can teach you how to do it overnight. I don't know how to do it overnight, but I know I can teach you how to do it in 24 months. Yes, you can get your results in 6 months, but I want something I can guarantee. And that's why we say in 24 months. So if you are interested in our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title is $10K in 24. Click the link under it. But what if you don't have the time to go through a mentorship program, but you still want to build up a passive income digital asset? You want to be able to make $10,000 per month or even $20,000 per month, or a much lower amount like $5,000, $1,000, or even $500. Is there anything you can do? Yes. We have a special program we call DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. If you're interested in us building everything up for you, check the pinned comment or description below and check for the link that comes with that title. Whether you click the link to join the mentorship program or our Done For You program, once you click the link, you'll be taken to a page where we'll ask you for your phone number, your email, and your name. When you provide those and click the submit button, check your email immediately within 5 minutes. You will get an email asking you to confirm your email address. Open that email and click the link within it to confirm your email address. If you don't confirm your email address, the conversation will die there. So once you confirm your email address, we will take you through about 3 other steps. You'll be sent an overview document in an email along with a link to an application form. Make sure you read the overview document. It gives you an understanding of what the program you have chosen is all about. And then click the link for the application form. It helps us gather information to make sure you are the right fit for us and we are the right fit for you. The final step is to book a call. Once our system determines that you are the right fit for any of our programs, you will get an email with a link to a page where you can book a call with me. It will give you different times. Pick the one that is most convenient for you. Once you book a call, you will get another email that will come with my personal phone number. You are not to call me. Just save the number so that when I call you, you will know it's not a random stranger calling you, but a call you booked for. Then when that time comes, I will call you and you can ask all the questions you have about the program you have elected to be part of. Once you're satisfied, you can then make payment and join the program. The ball is squarely in your court. It's up to you to change your financial life, and you can do so within 24 months. When we say change, we mean life transforming income. Think about it. $10,000 per month now, by our current exchange rate in Nigeria, is about 16 million naira per month. Think about what that would do for your family. Think about what that would do for your loved ones. Think about what that would do to your own personal vision and aspirations. The ball is firmly and squarely in your court. Click the right link now. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.